Mickey and Scarlett's vlog. Today we're going to open the mini Shopkins shell.
Okay, so let's go open the mini Shopkins set that you can buy in Target or Walmart. So go ahead and open it, Michaela.
Yeah, I can open the boxes.
Okay. Okay, mommy can help you.
I'm strong.
Okay.
Because I can do it. No, mommy. Mommy.
Okay, mommy can. Okay, so what do we have there?
We have this mini fridge.
So we have the mini fridge and the mini fridge and some of the other Shopkins for the mini fridge, okay?
Yeah. It is. Yeah. And now we're going to open it.
Okay, show me the mini fridge, Michaela. So this is the mini fridge, super nice, white, and you can open it and put stuff in there. That's what Michaela and Scarlett is doing. They're opening the accessory that you can put inside here. So if you have more Shopkins, you can put it here also.
You can also play with us, guys. And the little is...
Yeah, so you can put the ice cubes on those ice maker. And who do you have there, Scarlett?
It's a mystery Shopkin, but there's no one inside.
Oh, okay. So it's an empty Shopkin box. Oh, you have the other one. See that? See that Shopkin there? Is that a cupcake? Let me see. Also comes with a 2 Shopkin. It comes with a recipe book, so you can cook with it. So it comes with a cupcake and a chocolate. I think this is an ice cream. All right. Go ahead and put it together in the fridge and let's show them how it looks like. There you go. Very nice. Do you like that, girls?
Yes. Really good.
You really like it? Yay! Show them how it looks like.
I know this kind of Shopkin here, but find out in the videos.
Go.
Huh?
Go open it. Who's in there?
No one.
Oh, no one. Oh, no.
But it's the same Shopkins in here.
Alright, show it to me. Show it to them, Michaela.
You guys, do you know this cat's mystery name here?
Mystery name is Hotspot Chicken Chocolate Cake Jake and Valentina and the other one is Valentina Vanilla Cake. So it's a cake. Okay. Show them, Michaela. There you go, guys. I hope you guys like this fridge from Shopkins. Add this to your collection and make it super pretty, right, girls?
Yes.
So, okay, guys. See you next time. I hope you like our